Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with Airtable easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Airtable website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign up process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Airtable dashboard. Create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. Choose to start from scratch or select a template that suits your needs. When the base loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Name your new base something relevant like AI Tools Investment. Now, create an appropriate table for tracking your investments. Label the first column AI Tool for the name of the AI tool you plan to invest in. Add a second column titled Investment Amount to record how much you'll invest. Create a third column called Expected ROI to estimate your return on investment. Add a fourth column labeled Status to track the progress of each investment. If you want to include more details, add column. Fill in the corresponding investment amount and expected ROI for each tool. Regularly update the status column as you track the progress of your investments. You can customize the field types for better data management, like switching to currency for investment amounts. Use Airtable's sorting and filtering features to analyze your data effectively. Create views to focus on different aspects of your investments. For instance, a view just for pending investments or one for high ROI tools. Consider using Airtable's collaboration features if you're working with a team. Share your base with team members by clicking on the Share button. You can also set permissions to control who can edit or view the base. To enhance your tracking, explore Airtable's integration options with other tools. Look for AI-related APIs or services that can automate updates to your base. Regularly review your investment strategy based on the data collected in Airtable. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your investment decisions. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your AI tool investments effectively using Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.